I said it's got a lot of products now. We really focus on insulation, and so you'll see a lot of our products are really driven towards insulation. You're probably all familiar with, or at least I hope you are, the DOW Blue Board. It's an extruded polystyrene product that really is a good insulating product, and it's got good moisture resistance as well as durability. So in masonry applications, this product's a great one to use. I'm going to introduce to you a new system that we're going to introduce this year, and it really takes our styrofoam product, and we call this one Ultra. You'll notice it's black instead of blue. Basically, it's because we put carbon black in here, and so it increases the R value. We get an R value of 5.6 per inch with the Ultra product, as opposed to 5.0 with the standard blue board. So as we build out the wall and it gets thicker and thicker, and you guys are probably aware of this now, right? You're using fasteners that are longer and longer to go back to the studs. Well, how wide can we build that wall before it's like, hey, I can't put any more insulation in there? So the Ultra gives us an opportunity to maximize our value and hopefully limit the size that we're growing that wall outwards. We also have foam products, and we'll do actually some demos with this stuff today, but Great Stuff is the brand that Dow has. Has anybody heard of Great Stuff? A lot of people, okay. Where have you heard it or seen it or maybe even used it? Where are you getting this stuff?
Hardware store.
Yeah, a lot of times it's, we sell a lot of this to Home Depot for the do-it-yourselfer. It comes with a straw, and it's kind of a one-time use type thing. What we're going to show you today is we've got a pro product that actually uses a gun, and so it gives you a lot more control over how you dispense the product. But really what we're doing, what we're using this for, and we've got a couple different varieties up here, but window and door, it's all about sealing up the building envelope. We want to make it airtight and insulated, and so foams are great because they seal all those gaps and cracks and everything else. And so, you know, a homeowner's got to pay the energy bill every month, just like a building owner that occupies the buildings we build. And so energy efficiency is a big focus now, and these foam products really allow you to do that. We also make a really neat product called a froth pack. Has anybody ever heard of this? Yeah, these a little bit different here. This is actually a foam kit. I'll show you this one here. This basically allows you to spray closed cell foam. Have you guys ever been on a job where you got an insulation guy coming in there with these massive hoses and he's spraying foam into the cavity? You guys have seen that, right? Well, basically that's what this froth pack is. It allows you to basically spray foam, and you'll see I've got two components here, an A and a B, and in this kit comes your hose and your nozzle and everything you need to basically spray foam. Now you wouldn't want to use one of these type of things to, you know, fill a 50,000 foot building, but what this does allow you to do is if that foam guy's spraying that cavity and then you're on the outside doing your mason work and somebody's punching a bunch of holes in your wall, you can use one of these to seal up any of that work that's been damaged or penetrated. So froth packs, these come in a variety of different sizes, but basically you've got everything that you need in this kit. And when you're done with it, you basically just throw it away. So you don't need to buy the equipment that insulation guy is going to need to do the whole job. So again, air sealing and adding insulation is really kind of one of the hot topics in the construction process these days. So froth packs, and then we do have a 2-pound closed cell, what we call drum foam, and that's what the insulation guy is going to have in his truck. And he's going to have those 55-gallon drums that he's going to spray into. And then we do have some moisture and air barrier products that we call Weathermate, as well as some flashing products. You guys, I know the Barrage guys have seen this, but the Weathermate straight flashing. And we'll talk about where that is used and how it's used. So a little quick overview of our